Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI presenter in HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and visit the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project and choose an AI avatar that you want to use as your presenter. Browse through the available avatars and select one that fits your content and presentation style. Next, enter the script for your video. Write your message clearly and organize the content so the presenter can deliver it naturally. After adding the script, select an AI voice. Choose a language and voice that match your audience. If HeyGen provides additional voice controls, adjust them to create the speaking style you want. Now customize the presenter video. You can change the background, add text, adjust the layout, and organize the different elements in your scene. Use the preview feature to check how the AI presenter looks and sounds. Pay attention to pronunciation, timing, voice quality, avatar movements, and the overall design. If something doesn't look right, go back to the editor and make the necessary changes. Continue previewing until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to process your project. Once it's ready, watch the completed video and export it using the available options.